What's good, YouTube? It's JG21 here. Welcome back to my first video of 2020. So, I just got back from vacation, and I came home to some packages I got with my gift cards. So, we're doing a review on one of the things I got with my gift cards, and that is the Nerf Mega Mastodon. Now, this thing is a fully automatic barrel-fed blaster that shoots mega darts. Now, I did try to make a video about this like 2 months ago. When I put batteries in here, it didn't work. So, then I got another one on my gift card. So, yeah. So, the front of the box shows Mega Mastodon. It says Mega Mastodon. Side shows the blaster. Same thing here. On the back, it shows you what it comes with and how it works, and you can collect other blasters such as the Roto Fury and the Lightning Bow. The Roto Fury is a good blaster, the Lightning Bow not so much. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up this blaster and see what is inside. Okay, so included is the blaster itself, parts of the barrel, blaster feet, I guess you could say. Parts to like hold the cylinder in place, a swivel handle, a strap, we'll call it a strap, 24 mega darts, and the instructions. So, this blaster does require some assembly. So first we'll put on the parts to make the cylinder. There's some inner clips here that you gotta line up. So once you have those lined up, you're just gonna wanna slide those in. Let's see, come on. This took me a while when I tried to put the other one together. I might have to cut this part out. There we go. And you just turn it. And then you do the same thing again. There you go. Kind of spins really easily. Alright. Then, what you want to do next is you want to put the blaster feet, I'm going to call this. Just put it in between here. Just make sure it snaps into place. Then what you want to do is you want to put in these little things, and that will like kind of protect it, I guess. Alright, and that last one here. Alright, and then the last thing you want to do is just put in this handle. Now, once you put this in, it is permanent. It cannot come out. So I like to hold blasters like this in my left hand. So I'm going to put this in with my left. Put this in on the left side, and there you go. All right, so we'll go over the externals of the Mega Mastodon. Starting up at the front. This being a Mega Blaster, it does not have an in-strike attachment lug, so you cannot put on barrel extensions. But up on the top here, we have a sling mount. Up on the top here, we have a tactical rail. And under here, we have another tactical rail, so double optic if you want to. Over on the back, we have another sling attachment point. Here we have the rev switch, and then here we have the trigger. This is actually a great trigger because on the I've seen other Mastodons, and I think they have like an orange trigger. I've never seen like a gray trigger. And then this is the actual cylinder that you put the mega darts in. So, and it does spin very easily. And then this is the part that like protects it, and so these side panels, I guess you can call them. And I think this is the jam door. Yeah, this is the jam door right here. So if you have like a jam or anything, you take it out. And then it's got Mega on it in big lettering. It has Mastodon right here. And on the back here where it says Mega, this is where you put the batteries. This requires 6D batteries. That's insane. Such waste of batteries, but oh well. So, it's a short overview of the blaster, nothing... Oh, and it does have a tactical rail on the bottom here, but why would you put a grip here? Like, why would anyone do that when you could just do like a turret style type of thing? Okay, so that's an overview of the blaster. We're gonna go ahead and put some batteries in here, and we will do a firing demo. Alright, we got the batteries in. Now let's just see if it works, because my last one didn't, so let's see. Yes! There we go. Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and put in the Mega Darts, and we'll do a firing demo. Alrighty. We got the Mega Mastodon fully loaded. Let's see how it fires. Not what I was expecting. Okay. Well, unless these are not fresh D batteries, I guess it's okay. But, yeah. Overall, that is my review on the Mega Mastodon. Unless this has, like, fresh batteries, I guess it'll work. But, yeah, overall, I do like the blaster. If I put in fresh batteries, it'll probably work, but... And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe, check out all my other videos at JD21. Make sure to share my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media links. I'll put those in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Remember, it's Nerf for nothing. Peace.